Howdy guys, this is Melissa with Mimi's Treasures. If you don't know who we are an authentic resale boutique for pre-owned Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Hermes, and also we do brand new and custom lab-grown diamond jewelry. You can find us online at mimistreasures.com, MEMES treasures.com, and also on Facebook under Mimi's Treasures Sales and Authentication Service, because we're also a nationally recognized authentication company. So I wanted to show y'all, I was so excited. I went this weekend to Hermes for my shopping trip, and I of course have my little wish list going, and my sales associate came through for me and got me one of the hottest, most requested new releases that they have come out with. So I wanted to share it with y'all because I know there are not a lot of videos on it yet. So let's take a look at her. So here is the box. I wasn't sure what it was going to be. When he came into the room though, I did see the longer box. So I was hoping it was what I was thinking it was. And he was so excited to be able to get it for me, just because this one is so highly requested. All right, so here she is. I'm gonna take her out of the box. So she came with the paper and the protectors and everything, but of course I wore her as soon as I left the store. I put all of my things in her and wore her, so took all those protectors off. So it comes in the dust bag. And when he took it out, it was just amazing. And here she is, guys. This is the beautiful Constance 18 in the brand new color, Doré. So D-O-R-E, Doré color, and it is a true gold color, and it is a metallic gold. So it's got an iridescence to it. It's in the chevre leather. So I love this leather. It's just so luxurious feeling. Now this is in the size 18. I haven't seen this color in the 24 yet. Everything that I've seen online, I've seen a few of them come up online, and everything's been in the 18 so far. It comes with beautiful gold hardware. I, of course, still have the stickers on mine here. So here is the side of it. It has two pockets inside, just like the regular Constance 18. Here's the inside. It's all the gold Doré. And I do have already the matching orans in the Doré, which came out a couple of weeks ago, maybe in the store. And they're absolutely beautiful. Or actually, it might have been a couple of months ago. I think I got those a couple of months ago. And I saw they did drop the Oasis in this color on the website. However, they went away really quickly, and my sales associate couldn't find my size anywhere in the US yet. So I am definitely wanting to get those once they come out. Look at this, and it is so, it's nice. Oh, so soft and supple. Smells so good, of course, because it's brand new. And it comes with the little mirror that Constance 18 always comes with. So I'll show y'all the inside. I don't carry much stuff, so this size is going to be just fine for me. He actually got me last year one in Etope, so I have that one also. And the size is fine because I don't carry very much. But if you do carry a lot, the 24 size might be better for you. It's got a little pocket back here. So let's take a look at it on, guys. Oh, she's so pretty. All right, so you can wear her crossbody, and look at how cute she is. Okay, now I know everybody always wants to know, like, you know, how I'm 5'7", and I'm about 145 pounds. So that you can get an idea of the proportions here. About a size 8 as far as my what I wear in Hermes dresses and tops. I'm about a 36 to a 38. In Hermes pants, I'm more like a 30 or a 40 in the pants, And I got some stretchy pants on that are a 36, so, but mostly a 40 in the Hermes pants. So that gives y'all an idea. Look at her. So you can wear a crossbody. And I am tall, so you can see that this strap is fine for crossbody. It's a little bit shorter, but not, you know, not that much shorter. It is coming up right about here, which is about mid-stomach, but still perfectly fine. And then you can wear it doubled up also, guys. So you can pull it just like the Chanel Classics. So you can pull it like that. Now, it's still very stiff because it's new, so you can see that it's, you know, got this big gap. But once this softens up, this gap will kind of close, so it won't be so prominent once the leather softens up. So you can wear it like this also on the shoulder, doubled up. And then you can even wear it like this on the elbow. Oh, she's beautiful. So I just wanted to share her with y'all. I highly recommend her. If you do love the color gold, this is just beautiful. And this metallic, it's harder to find, you know, like a metallic color with Hermes. So definitely beautiful, beautiful bag. All right, guys, if y'all have any questions, this bag is not for sale. This is my bag, but we do have lots of beautiful bags for sale, like this Kelly behind me. We've got some Birkins and also some Chanel and Louis Vuitton. So feel free to shop on our website, mimistreasures.com. We have a firm financing, 6 to 36 month layaway plan. So some of our Kellys have up to 2 years for a layaway plan. And then we also take PayPal, PayPal Bill Me Later, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, credit card, pretty much almost anything. Alrighty guys, so I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.